so happy to be standing here on this stage as proud country Texas women supporting and celebrating the one and only Vice President Kamala Harris.
On Friday evening, Beyonce took the stage at a high-profile rally in Texas to rally support for Vice President Kamala Harris as the presidential race remains closely contested. "We are thrilled to be here, standing as proud Texas women in support and celebration of the one and only Vice President Kamala Harris," she proclaimed. The music icon commended Harris for her message of unity and highlighted the positive energy in the crowd. "We are on the brink of an extraordinary shift, a pivotal moment in history," Beyoncé remarked. Emphasizing her presence as more than a celebrity, she shared, "I'm here as a mother deeply concerned about the world my children and all our children will inherit. A world where we can freely make choices about our own bodies. Imagine our daughters growing up seeing no boundaries, no limitations on what they can achieve," she added, calling on the audience to recognize the legacy of their grandmother's sacrifices, which enable today's generation to witness a strong woman redefining leadership. Urging the crowd to act, she reminded them, "Your vote is one of the most powerful tools, and we need you to use it." Beyoncé highlighted Texas's role in shaping the nation's future, declaring, "It's time for America to sing a new song." The endorsement, highly sought after by Democrats, follows her absence at the Democratic National Convention earlier in the summer. A no-show that left many party members and viewers disappointed. Harris, who frequently enters rallies to Beyoncé's hit Freedom, had been rumored to appear with the artist at the convention in Chicago as she accepted the vice presidential nomination, creating widespread anticipation that ultimately went unmet.
A woman who's been pushing for what this country really needs right now: unity. It's impossible not to feel the energy in this room, the positivity, the community, the humanity. We are at the precipice of an incredible shift, the brink of history. I'm not here as a celebrity. I'm not here as a politician. I'm here as a mother. A mother who cares deeply about the world my children and all of our children live in. A world where we have the freedom to control our bodies. A world where we're not divided. Our past, our present, our future merge to meet us here. Imagine our daughters growing up seeing what's possible with no ceilings, no limitations. Imagine our grandmothers. Imagine what they feel right now. Those who have lived to see this historic day. Even those who are no longer physically with us. Imagine all of their sacrifice. The sacrifices made so we can witness the strength of a woman standing in her power. Reimagining what leadership is. For all the men and women in this room and watching around the country, we need you. Your voice has power and magnitude. Your vote is one of the most valuable tools, and we need you. Your freedom is your God-given right, your human right. Everybody say Texas. Texas plays a pivotal role to change the course of our future. Texans and Houstonians from 3rd Ward, River Oaks, Sugarland, 5th Ward, Ailey, Memorial, Southwest Side, North Side, all the way down to Most City. We all have a role to play to make this a reality. We're all part of something much bigger. We must vote. And we need you. It's time to sing a new song. A song that began 248 years ago. The old notes of downfall, discord, despair no longer resonate. Our generations of loved ones before us are whispering a prophecy, a quest, a calling, an anthem. Our moment right now, it's time for America to sing a new song. Our voices sing a chorus of unity. They sing a song of dignity and opportunity. Are y'all ready to add your voice to the new American song? Because I am. So let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a big, loud Texas welcome to the next President of the United States.